All my friend, welcome to my channel. This is LG automatic washing machine. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PE error on an LG automatic washing machine. Please watch video until end. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more video. PE error indicate pressure sensor fault. Before replacing the sensor, need to unplug washing machine for safety. Then we need to disconnect water hose. We need to go to back side. Then we need to remove two screw. Then here a plastic lock. We need to open with flathead screwdriver. We need to remove same like video. We need to careful. This top cover front side also have lock. We need to remove top cover carefully. Now I am going to remove top cover. This is the pressure sensor, which is connected to a small air hose and electrical connector. This is the top cover. We remove from here. We need to disconnect the wiring. Now I am going to disconnect it. And carefully remove pressure sensor and air hose. I disconnect electrical connector and air hose. This is the old one and faulty pressure sensor. Now I am going to change new pressure sensor. This is the new pressure sensor. Now I am going to install new pressure sensor. Then I will reconnect air hose and wiring. Then I'm going to install new pressure sensor in same place. This air hose for ear. When we are filling water in the machine, that time air coming from this hose. Then power on the machine. I'm going to start and test the machine for washing. If this confirm the PE error has been clear or not yet. Now I'm going to test this machine. Is this good working or not? Now start filling water. You can check this drum already spinning. It means this washing machine working now. The problem is PE error. We change pressure sensor. Then we need to reinstall the top cover. I already reinstalled it.